In English, we might say, can they read lips? Well, in ASL, we can go like this. Okay, let's learn how to sign this question. First sign is lip read. Here's the sign. Okay, use your dominant hand. I'm right-handed. We're just going to hold up 2 fingers. We could say the letter V. We could say victory man, right? Or we could say the number 2. We're going to take the tips of those fingers. We're going to point them at our lips, right? And then we're just going to go back and forth. Kind of like this is the scanner and you're scanning your lips. Lip read. From the side. Lip read. Other side. From the front again, lip read. V for victory, point the tips at your lips and scan back and forth. Here is a sign for can. All right, now let's make it clear, we're not talking about a can of soda. We're talking about ability to do something, can. We're gonna take 2 fists, 2 fists. All it is, it's the letter S from the alphabet. Now we're going to start about here, palms facing down, and just drop straight down. Can. From the side. Can. Other side. Front again. Can. All right, if you want to nod at the same time to show extra affirmation, that's fine too. Can. They, personal pronoun, index finger, right. We're just going to arc off to the side. They're over there. We're just referring to them. Tom, George, Mary, and Henry are sitting over there. They, right. Now, if they're not here, but we're referring to them as we're signing, just do it off to the side. They. And remember, don't cross that middle imaginary line, because if you do, it means you all, as in you plural. So we're just going to do it off to the side. They. Okay, this is a yes-no question. So you can answer it saying yes, no, or maybe, right? So at the end of this sentence, how do we indicate a yes-no question? That's right. Raise those eyebrows, lean forward. Remember, pretend you're peeking over your neighbor's fence. You want to see what's going on? That's the face for a yes-no question. Okay, now you could hold that face like this for the whole sentence while you're signing, but it's more effective and saves your energy to just do it at the end. So when you're signing they, raise those eyebrows, lean forward. Okay, let's do some practice. Here we go. Let's sign together. Sign with me. Let's go nice and slow. Lip read. Can. They. All right, so when I sign they, I raise my eyebrows, I lean forward a little bit because it's a yes-no question. All right, let's do it again. Lip read. Can. They. All right, again, let's do it. Lip read. Can. They. All right, let's pretend that they're sitting over there. They're here. They're physically present, and we're going to refer to them. All right, let's do it. Lip read. Can. They. Eyebrows up. Leaning forward a little bit. Okay, so we did they, but you've already learned the pronoun, so you could swap it out with whatever pronoun you need. Maybe we do he. Lip read. Can he. Let's say he's not here, but we'll just refer to him off to the side. So lip read. Can he. Lip read. Can you. We can flip out the pronoun whenever we need. Let's practice this sentence a little bit quicker. Lip read. Can they. Here we go. Sign with me. Okay, we just talked about how to sign lip read. Can they.